Hey there. Welcome to my new studio vlog. This vlog will mostly, let's take a walk. Come on. This vlog will talk about my shop update and all the feelings that went with it. And you know, this and that. These are a few of the new products I'll be showing. I'll show you more of them later. What? Talking. It's fine. Come on. Let's go. It's a pandemic, baby. So I'm making postcard packs from leftover postcards from my Patreon, and yeah, so these are all of them. You know, they each have like something on the back or lines to draw on. Wow, is that in focus? Probably not. But yeah, so I'm packaging them all up to sell in my shop update, which is happening I don't know when. But I'm just taking these like, plastic envelope things that all my t-shirts that I was selling in my shop, I think they're sold out now. But every individual t-shirt came in this plastic bag, which was really annoying, so I didn't want to throw that out because that's wasteful. So I've been chopping them up into just little squares or rectangles like this to wrap these up in. So this is what it looks like, and just kind of taping the back. They're a little beat up, obviously, because they're used, but they're clean. And then I think I'm going to put like a piece of paper over it to kind of make it look more professional or just whatever, nicer. But yeah, I think it's a good way to reuse this plastic, so we'll see how it goes. Oh. 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 Okay. Oh. Alright, here is the finished sticker pack. This is what the packaging ended up looking like. I used a glassine bag because I didn't want to use plastic anymore. I'm trying to cut down on that, and I did a little doodle of each of the stickers. And on the back it just says my name. And so I stapled that over the bag to make it look kind of cute, but then these are the stickers. I'm really pretty happy with how they came out. They're vinyl, waterproof, pretty heavy duty, and they're all from a 30-day drawing challenge that I did on my Instagram. But yeah, I really like how they came out. I think I'm gonna stick one on my water bottle here. Oh, you can never be too prepared. I don't know which one though. Bicycle? I don't know how well it's gonna do because this is kind of a weird shape up here. Maybe the pup. That could work. Okay. If I can get this to stick on this weird part of my water bottle, it would be amazing. Come on, buddy. There we go. Yeah, right there. Might bubble a little bit because of the spot. No! He fits pretty good. Looks pretty cute. Sorry, bud. I'm kind of stressed. My shop update was today. I feel like the algorithm is not playing in my favor and it's stressing me out. I did get some orders and I'm very thankful for them, but I am stressed out because I spent a lot of time and money on this update and you just never know how it's gonna go. So, you know, and there's a lot of things working against me because it's the year 2020 and everything is going wrong. And some things right, but mostly wrong. I thought that would make me feel better, but it didn't. It doesn't even look any different.
I feel like you're putting pressure on yourself to like move merch really quickly. More so than might be healthy. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, it's true. Hello? Hello? Hello?
He tried to open his car.
Hello?
Because, you know, it's also a learning experience too, right? Like if this is something that stresses you because you laid out a lot of money for it, maybe next time do less items in the shop update or only update like 1 or 2 items. You know what I mean? Where it's like you don't feel this intense pressure to have to make it back quicker.
Yeah. I guess I just thought, because in the past when I put up a lot of products at once, it's done better rather than just being like, oh, I just printed this one print, now it's up for sale. Like it's always done better because I find that people will buy multiple things for the most part.
That's
true. Yeah, but I don't know if I did too many things. It also could just be like the initial post that I put up, it wasn't obvious what it was based on the opening frame of it.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you saw what it was. It's just like a really long slider thing.
Yeah, which looked cool.
But I don't know if like just glancing at it, like maybe I should have, like the first post should have said like a big like shop update, like with the words on it.
Yeah, I mean you could always try to do another post like that.
Yeah. But like I said, I thought I'd get more right away, which was dumb. But it was just like me being anxious and me being like,
yeah,
I worked for so long and spent money on this. I hope this doesn't tank. And so I think right away I felt like, oh, this is tanking.
Yeah, I mean, you texted me, ugh, I'm a fail. Did you get that?
I don't know. Let's go get ice cream.
Okay.
Do you like being my Instagram boyfriend? Look at my feet. People have weird kinks about that kind of thing.
You can blur him out.
Okay, that's true. What if I learned how to do that actually?
I don't know. I can't talk and film.
You can.
I'm not that good yet. Oh, look at this lighting. Come on. Come on now.
Shelby? Oh, you got ice cream on your shirt.
Okay. Opened it in numbers and saved it, so it's saved as not a CSV. By saving it in numbers, you didn't designate it as CSV, so it switched it to whatever the numbers.
Okay.
It switched it to whatever the numbers format was. I love spreadsheets. I'm gonna need Dav's email address. I mean, in what little brown envelopes?
Yeah.
Including these, like just with. Oh, I can't wait to get my heavy breathing and all these.
Oh, well, most of this will just be music in the background.
They'll be like, what's that lo-fi hiss you put in? It's like my boyfriend breathes through his mouth.
My nimble fingers. Oh no! Okay, we're good. There she is. Thanks, Sarah.
Be serious. Put it in the envelope. Yeah, do it. Oh, that's a nice shot. That's a nice
There
shot.
she goes.
Seal it with the kiss.
No, COVID. It is what it is. You're gonna get what you get. This is really bad. Why is that so bad?
Here.
Hold it up. Yeah,
Pretty good.
that's much better. All right, you can take over.
Yeah, I'll do this.
Hi. As usual, I didn't end this video in a way that I should have, so here I am filming the end. One thing that I didn't show you that I forgot to film was a new comic called Another Version. This is the front and the back. And you know, she's a little guy. Let me see, I'll show you the page. It's the end, kind of spoiling, but you don't know what this is about, so I'm excited about this guy. But yeah, thank you to everybody who bought something in my shop update. Sorry I had a little freak out about it that you didn't know about until now, but everything went pretty well and I'm very thankful for that. And there's still things to purchase, so get on over there if you feel like it. The link is below. There it is. The link is below somewhere. But yeah, thank you to my Patreon patrons for being so dang supportive, and thank you to you who are watching this, plural. Anyway, grammar. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, like if you haven't already, blah blah blah, and I'll see you next time. Always doing the finger guns. Just gotta roll with it.